Members of Turkey's parliament have passed a prison reform bill. It will reduce the sentences of thousands of prisoners to ease overcrowding and prevent the further spread of coronavirus. But those serving time for crimes including murder, drug trafficking and rape, as well as detainees under Turkey's anti-terror laws, are not included in the new policy.
Bu düzenlemedeki hükümlüler lehine
It streamlines the judicial process, reducing miscarriage of justice while also tending to favour the person over the system.
The reforms seek to release minor offenders who have completed at least half of their sentence and will release those who have already served 2/3 of their sentence. While toughening sentences on various financial crimes, the reform will also enable home confinement for some inmates. Prisoners over the age of 65 and women who have children under the age of 7, along with sick prisoners, will be released on parole.
What's so disappointing is that it leaves out some of the people who really should be prioritised for release. So all prisoners in pre-trial detention who haven't been convicted of any offence are excluded from release. And so are people like journalists, human rights defenders, opposition politicians who have been imprisoned under trumped-up, politically motivated prosecutions under anti-terrorism laws.
Nearly 90,000 inmates are expected to benefit from this new legislation, which was proposed by the governing AK Party and its nationalist ally in parliament, MHP.
If a court penalizes someone, that person shouldn't enter from one door and exit without charge from the other. That was the idea when the bill reached the General Assembly. But now it will have a negative impact on the society and the victims while encouraging the perpetrators.
The reform will also bring measures for inmates with communicable diseases. The Turkish government says this new legislation is not an amnesty. It is to address the overcrowding issues in prisons. But the critics argue it's neither equal nor lawful and interferes with the existing program of reducing sentences based on good behavior. The opposition is expected to challenge the move at the Constitutional Court. Sinem Köseoğlu, Al Jazeera, İstanbul.